In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Apple ID quickly. If you need to recover your Apple ID as soon as possible, the fastest method is to reset your password using a trusted Apple device. This device should already be signed into your Apple ID account. Apple recommends this method as the first step before you begin any formal account recovery. You will want to use a trusted iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Once you have your device, go to the Settings menu. This is crucial because accessing the settings allows you to make changes directly to your account. Once you are in Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings where you can manage your account details. Then select Sign In and Security. This section contains all the security features related to your Apple ID. Here you will find the option to change password. Tapping on this option will allow you to proceed with resetting your password. This step is important because it provides immediate access to your account without the need for lengthy recovery processes. After entering your new password, be sure to confirm it. If you do not have access to a trusted Apple device, the next best option is to visit Apple's recovery website. You can do this by navigating to eforgot.apple.com. This is Apple's official platform for password resets and account recovery. It's important to use this website as it is specifically designed to help users regain access to their accounts. Once there, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID and answer security questions if required. This step is vital because it is the official method provided by Apple to regain account access. After completing the steps on the recovery website, you may need to set up account recovery. If you have previously set up an account recovery contact, now is the time to reach out to that person. Recovery contacts can significantly speed up the recovery process. This is beneficial because having someone you trust involved can streamline regaining your account. Make sure to communicate clearly with your recovery contact about what you need. During the account recovery process, be prepared to provide as much information as possible. This could include access to your trusted phone number, a trusted device, or the payment method linked to your Apple ID. The more information you can verify, the quicker the recovery process may be. This is a good practice because Apple tends to favor users who can confirm their identity with multiple pieces of information. It's important to note that if you must use Apple's account recovery process, there is no guaranteed way to speed it up. Apple has stated that the waiting period for recovery can take several days or even longer. This can be frustrating, but it's crucial to remain patient during this time. Even Apple support cannot shorten this waiting period, so it's best to stay calm and follow the guidelines. While you are waiting for your account recovery, be mindful of your sign-in attempts. Avoid signing in repeatedly on multiple devices. This is vital because using your Apple ID during the recovery period can delay or even cancel your recovery request. Staying patient and following the recommended steps will help you successfully recover your Apple ID. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your account recovery.